Good morning, everyone. It's Tracy from Artsy Albums. Listen, I wanted to hop on this morning and talk to you a little bit about a project that is near and dear to my heart called This Is Me. A little backstory, if you don't know me and haven't heard my story in the past. I lost my mom to breast cancer when I was a teenager. And right after that, my sister and I would be going through pictures of the family, and we'd notice that we didn't know who the people in the pictures were. We didn't know their names. We didn't know the locations. It was just something that my mom always knew she'd be around to tell us, and then she wasn't. And so over the years, my sister and I have thought many times about that, and it became part of my story to record for either my kids or my family or friends or whoever would want to know into the future exactly who the people in my pictures were and the stories behind the photos. And that's not the only reason that I started my company, Artsy Albums, 10 years ago, but also because I think it's important for us to document ourselves. We are usually the ones that are behind the camera, and I think it's important for our kids, our friends, family to know who we are. And so that's why I designed the This Is Me project. It's an album that is 50 pages long, 25 front and back, I believe, and it covers everything from what are my likes, what are my feelings, what's the world around me like, what are my favorite hobbies, how did I decide to become a nurse or a doctor or a teacher, why did I decide to live where I live, what's my home like, how many pets do I have? What's my family like? Who are my friends? And it just is a book that from cover to cover is all about me. So I hope that you will go to my website, www.artsyalbums.shop, click on the tab that says This Is Me project. I think it's important that someday someone will want to know your story. So check out This Is Me. Thanks so much.